Hi and welcome to MicroMoment Monday, and as you can see, or maybe you don't see, I'm sitting in our trailer and we are up at Bryce and it is dark outside. And so I am going to show you the quickest, fastest way on earth to make sourdough pancakes. And the reason that it is so fast is you start with a mix so that you're not measuring a whole ton of stuff out. So in my pantry bin that we take camping with us in our trailer or when we go in our tent, I have a container of pancake mix. Now this is Krusteaz pancake mix, and the reason that I choose Krusteaz is that it already has buttermilk in it, it has baking soda, has everything I need, with a few little additions that I kind of make it taste more like homemade. So here's how we're going to do this. First of all, I am going to put about a cup and a half of the pancake mix in here. So that takes care of soda, salt, flour, buttermilk powder, everything that we need. And then in my pantry bin, I also have sugar, and I need to give these guys I need to give the sourdough just a little bit of sugar, so I'm going to put maybe a tablespoon in. I'm going to mix these together. And I brought with me a half a cup of sourdough. Now I fed this the night before we left, and I measured a half a cup in here, but see, it's expanded, which is great, and it's going to expand again. This is our sponge that we're going to set overnight. So I'm putting all of this in. And because it already has soda and buttermilk in, I don't need to worry about putting any of that stuff in. This is a Gatorade jar, and we washed it out and it's just regular water. So I'm going to put about a cup of water in. And then I'm just going to mix this together. In the morning, I will add eggs to it, well, egg powder, a little bit more water, and some oil, and we will be ready to go. And that's all there is to making, sourdough pancakes. Set the sponge the night. Could you please focus on what you're doing?
I was laughing too hard because I blew it the last time. Okay, so where do you want me?
Okay, right there.
Okay, looking at you.
Yes. So that's all there is to setting the sponge for. Get away.
Well, I was getting close up of you. Now you want me to stand away. Okay, so I'm back here.
Okay. So that's all there is to setting the sponge for sourdough pancakes. So easy when you use a mix. And I really like the Krusteaz mix. So we'll check this sponge in the morning and finish it off and have pancakes. So see you then.
Okay.
Good morning. It is a beautiful morning here at Bryce Canyon. In just a few minutes we'll be going outside. But first let's take a look at our sponge that we made last night using the sourdough. So here it is. Look at this. Is this just beautiful? All bubbly. Okay. This is so easy, so quick. So to this sponge, I am going to add 2 tablespoons of powdered egg, which is the equivalent of 1 egg, and a couple of tablespoons of oil. And then we're going to thin it to the consistency of what we want for pancakes out there. Here's a couple of tablespoons of oil. help them so they don't stick to the griddle. And then I have our water that we'll be adding. So let me just mix this in and see how much water we might need to add. All right, so it is just the right consistency. And we will now head out to the griddle and get these ready for breakfast. So we are in beautiful Bryce Canyon. Jim will pan around and you can see that we're in really tall trees. Lots of trailers around us. This campground here at Bryce is Ruby's Inn Campground, and it's only open for another couple of weeks. And we have missed the colors on the trees, so that's too bad. Okay, so here we go. I'm using a 1/4 cup measure to put these out here, and I'm using only half the griddle. I love cooking outdoors on this griddle. It is a really nice griddle. Doing a good job on these pancakes. I can smell the sourdough. Here we are all set up for breakfast with a little bowl of fresh fruit by the side of our plates. Jim is putting ghee on his pancakes, and we're going to wait for his response to see if he likes them. All right, here it goes.
The moment of truth.
Moment of truth.
Nice and soft, well done. I can taste the sourdough.
Can you?
Yes.
All right.
It's a good job.
Okay, so it's a keeper.
It's a keeper.
All right. So thanks very much for being with us on this micro moment here inside our trailer at Bryce Canyon. And we will see you again next week for another micro moment.